Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Hook and Happy, and today I'm going to show you how to use crab stitch as a border. These are my modern mandala mats, and in this tutorial I will be finishing off a coaster. So let's get started. This is the final round of the pattern and I'm sticking with the same colour of yarn, so I'm going to start by making one chain stitch. Now, crab stitch is also known as reverse single crochet because it goes through the same process as a single crochet stitch, but in the opposite direction to the way that you usually crochet. As you can see, I'm a right-handed crocheter, but instead of crocheting from right to left, I will reverse my single crochet stitches to go from left to right. Let me show you. We're going to start here in the last stitch of the previous round. Begin by inserting your hook under both of the loops at the top of the stitch. Then you need to grab the yarn by putting it under the hook and pulling it through. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Then put the yarn over the hook and pull it through both loops, and that's it. That's one crab stitch made. So now we're going to continue in the next stitch, inserting your hook under both of the loops at the top of the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Here's a closer look. And we're just going to carry on in this way, putting a reverse single crochet into every stitch around. It's really important to be mindful of your tension when making crab stitches. You don't want them to be too loose, but holding the yarn too tightly will make it really difficult. As we make more crab stitches, the beautiful effect will begin to show. You can pause the video here while you keep crab stitching and then continue when you're near the end of the round. Now I've reached the end of the round, I'm going to place one more crab stitch into the space where I slip stitched the previous round together. Then it's time to cut the yarn and weave the end in. The aim is to make the join look seamless. Insert your needle from the front to the back and try to follow the diagonal direction of the crab stitches you have made. Then bring the needle back through to the front and over the top to help blend the join in with the other stitches. Now it's a good idea to give the border a little bit of a stretch, just to separate those stitches before you weave in your end. I like to weave in the end back and forth a few times in stitches of the same colour, so it is well camouflaged. And that's how you use crab stitches to make a crochet border. If this was helpful, remember to like and subscribe to see more tips and tutorials from me. If you would like to have a go at a coaster like this, you can find the link to my modern mandala mats pattern in the description box below. It includes instructions for 3 different sizes, from a coaster to a small mat to a large placemat. The pattern is beginner friendly, easy to follow, and has other links to video tutorials within it. And the crab stitch border is optional. Thanks for watching!